Pixels.cool.
Welcome to Showcase Month. Over recent months, we've worked through how to edit images, create videos, and use a 3D environment to create a VR scene. For this showcase project, we're going to use these skills again to personalize a 3D gallery with our own choice of photos, videos, and 3D objects, send it to a VR headset, and save a tour of our gallery as a video. In this explainer, I'll make simple edits to photos which may go on to make the cut to be included in the gallery. This is a recap explainer. For full step-by-step image editing workflows, see our dedicated series. I'm using Photoshop here, but PaintShop Pro and GIMP also include similar features. A section of my gallery is going to feature favourite pictures from my travels. This is a film image of Notre Dame, taken in Paris using a Lomograph camera with 4 lenses. Let's start by rotating it 180 degrees so it's the right way up. Go to the Image menu, Image Rotation, 180 degrees. Next, I'm going to crop in to my preferred exposure of the 4, select the rectangular marquee tool, drag a box around the exposure I want to keep, select the Image menu and click on Crop. To save an image, go to the File menu, Save As. I'll save it as a standard JPEG file. Next, I'm off on Safari. This landscape shot does look pretty epic, but it's very hazy. Most modern imaging software offers a way to dehaze an image. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. This opens up Adobe Camera Raw, which gives us lots of traditional photographic controls and works on normal JPEGs like this, as well as raw image files. I'll use the dehaze slider here. Then tweak the other sliders until I'm happy. Click on OK to close the RAW window. Remember, Photoshop also has automatic options here on the Image menu for tone, contrast, and colour. Finally, if you're working with celebration images, you'll want people to be looking their very best. This image is just a frame taken from an HD video. Let's start by increasing the visual resolution. Go to the Filter menu, Neural Filters. Select Super Zoom. This image is currently around 2 megapixels. We're going to make it twice that resolution to give us roughly an 8 megapixel image. Click the plus icon here. We'll wait for the image to render. I'm happy with the increase in apparent detail, so I'll click on OK. Let's see if the Smart Portrait Neural Filter can improve things even further. Be aware there's some pretty scary stuff in here, don't overdo it. I'll go with a small amount of de-aging, and I think a little more happiness. If needed, you can go on to use the separate skin smoothing AI filter found here. I'm happy with the image, so I'll save it in the usual way. I'll continue working with my images before deciding which are going to make the cut for the 3D gallery. In the next explainer, we're going to create a short video sequence as we head to Paris.
Pixels.cool.